a long straw. It can be a paper straw, that would be better, or if you don't have a paper straw, you can just roll up a piece of paper like I've done and glue it together. And then you need a stick. I've used an extra jharu stick I had. You can also do that, or you can use a kulfi stick, anything that's long and straight. And a nice colored piece of paper with which we're going to make our bird. And some glue and scissors. Okay, so first we'll draw our little bird onto the sheet. So you have a sheet like this. You want to make 2 copies of the bird. So we'll just fold it. Now quickly draw a really simple bird. So you have the belly, a simple tail, a head, and the most important part is the wings. Here you go. Like this. Oh, and a little peak. Okay, and now we're just going to cut it out. Both the paper stuck together, so there'll be 2 copies of our bird. So there you go. Ta-da! We have 2 birds which look exactly the same. Alright, so now is the easiest part. We are going to make a bird come to life. So you take the long stick that we have and we're going to stick it here like this. Okay? And the other bird will come on top. So we will just put some glue. And some in the bottom here. Just so that it will stick better. And we put the other one just on top of it. But just make sure that you only stick it from the bottom because our wings will flap like this. So this part should be open. Okay, and we let that dry. And then we have our paper straw, which will go through like this. Okay, now when it reaches here, we will just make a small fold like this. Like this. You see the cuts? And then we are going to cut it. So you see, I've made the fold like this, and just where the folds are, we'll cut it. Like this. And like this. Okay, so now that we have our straw cut like this, we're going to put it back in. Just slide it through push this on top of the bird onto the wings. Here, like this. And now we will stick these. We will stick this onto the wing, on the bottom side of the wing. Just like and on the other side as well. Now you let this dry. Leave it aside, let it dry really nicely, or else it'll come out. So we leave it. Alright, so now that the bird is dry, it's ready. You just hold the stick from here and using your other hand, you just pull it down slowly. Not too hard, but you see, our bird is flying now. Just like that.